Blank Canvas Beauties. I'm Cassie, and I have something a little bit different to share with you. Excuse my hair. This is how I get curly hair the next day. So my daughter throws it into these curls, nubbies. Hey, it works. No heat required. Let me fix this. Let's try this again. Take two. I wanted to change the angle up. Anywho's, so I ordered this a Prime Samples box from Amazon.com /samples/boxes. Want to try even more great products? Shop individual samples at Amazon.com /samples. So there's that one, and there's that one. Hopefully it'll be the right way. I want to edit this. So poor Mr. Flinty already got one item out of here. This is a hedgehog dental care, and it was so stinking cute. It looked just like a hedgehog, but it was hollow. And he's still carrying it around. So this box was the dog treats, dog food box. So for $11.99, I got this box, well, plus tax. And then I reviewed the products inside. Oops. I reviewed the products inside, and they credited me back $11.99 to use on products that well, in this box it'd be that my animals enjoyed. So this one was a major yes, considering the fact he's still carrying it. So, and Flint's a big boy. The next item, which is a yes, because all the dogs really seem to enjoy this. Bye, baby. Love you. Love you too. Super cute. My granddaughter loves to give the dogs treats. So this is a core grain-free marrow roast hearty beef recipe. Crunchy biscuit baked with real meaty marrow inside. And it is a natural dog treat. So this is what this looks like. And what it says is Wellness Core is based on the nutritional philosophy that dogs, given their primal ancestry, thrive on a diet mainly comprised, C-O-M-P-R-I-S-E-D, comprised of meat. Each bite-sized biscuit is stuffed with real meat, savory bone marrow for a delicious crunch and satisfying taste. And it has beef, ground peas, vegetable glycerin, chickpea flour, tapioca, starch, ground flaxseed, chicken fat, cooked bone marrow, sweet potatoes, caramel color, chicken fat preserved with mixed tocopherols, xanthan gum as citric acid, vinegar, salt, mixed tocopherols added to preserve freshness, rosemary extract, green tea extract, and spearmint extract.
Hey, we have an hour.
Yeah. I don't see where it says how many to give them, any of that. But this is this. And they really did seem to enjoy that a lot. Like, this box came out, and it's almost like they could smell it. It was craziness. Then in here we have a Canaday pet food made by pet people, free sample, grain-free, pure C, limited ingredient diet made with fresh salmon for an adult. 8 key ingredients: natural flavor, vitamins, minerals, and probiotic mix. So there's that. And it's a dog food. It's a dog food. So it is grain free. Now let's look at the ingredients. Oh, there's a lot of ingredients. So but I don't see any grains, so that's a good thing. But there's that. And this is out of San Luis, I can't read it, something, California. So I'm sure they'll like that. Then we have the Glycoflex Plus. This is a joint support for dogs 30 plus pounds. So Fat Butt will probably get this as well. It contains 4 chews. Says at Veterinary Science Laboratories, our mission is to provide veterinarians, pet owners, and pets with solutions to our most common animal health concerns. Backed by science and complementary to traditional therapies, our nutritional supplements use only the most pure and highly researched ingredients developed by veterinarians for your pet.
Well, Flint found the let go of that hedgehog.
Give 1 chew per 30 pounds. If giving more than 1 chew daily, divide between AM and PM. So that's what the directions are. So I can easily give one of these to all the dogs, except for Flint, because, you know, he's a cow. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. He's a baby. Then we have Hill Science Diet Veterinarian Recommended Beef and Barley Entree, which is a dog food. It's a small can. It's for adults 1 to 6, so I'm thinking little Missy will get this. Then we have... Let's just take that one out, why don't we? Then we have this Homestyle Chicken Stew by Blue Buffalo, I do believe. I think it is Blue Buffalo. Pretty sure it is. With potatoes, carrots, and peas. Natural food for dogs with added vitamins and minerals. Homestyle Chicken Stew. Protein-rich chicken, no chicken, poultry, byproduct meals. No corn, wheat, or soy. No artificial preservatives or flavors. So there's that one there. And the last one is Hill's Ideal Balance Slow Cook Zucchini Chicken and Zucchini Stew. Natural dog food plus vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. This is also for an adult. So the dogs are definitely going to get to try some dog food. So that's a good thing. Now, we don't generally buy canned dog food. And here's why. Our dogs have always been on hard, dry dog food. Now, when you switch them up to canned dog food, it can be very hard on their digestive systems and it give them some not ideal problems in the backside. So I will mix these, you know, one at a time, you know, for each individual dog with some dry, which will help keep their bowels from being too loose. Other than that, I mean, it's for $12. We've got, you know, a full-size can of food here, a full-size little can of food here. We have this Blue Buffalo full-size right here. Then we had the Hedgehog, which is definitely on the buy list. Normally, I don't buy dog food from online because I like to know what I'm getting and I like to look for deals. But with that being said, if I can find a deal on something like this for cheaper than I can buy it where I'm at, because we don't really have anything, there's no competition, so they can charge whatever they want to charge. And things like this, I'm sure that I can find these on Amazon for a fairly decent price. But I'm really excited about the treats because they really liked these. And like I said, poor Flinny finally just now dropped the Hedgehog. And this box has been here for probably a couple hours. So I've, you know, given them treats and given them different things to see how they like it. And I just wanted to, you know, see how the dogs reacted before hopping on here. Sorry, it's so loud. I'm opening this package. It said it had 4 chews, but this one comes with 5. These are what the chews look like. Oh, they stink to high heaven. But, so, with that being said, overall for $11.99, here, Daisy. You want a treaty? There you go, baby. She is just chowing down. You want to come up here and say hi? You come up on here. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Up. Oh, she's my little fat butt. Hi, baby. This is Daisy. Daisy. Thank you. I love you too. Okay, up down. Oh my gosh, she's so heavy. I'm not lifting the other ones up. That ain't happening. So for $11.99, it's already been credited right back to my Amazon to be used on one of these products or another product. I do believe. I think it has to be the products that came in the box, but I'm not 100% positive on that. Because if there's something else that they would like better, then that's probably what I'll go for. But again, not bad. So I can't wait. I will follow up later on when I get prices on all these things. And I'll take pictures and I'll insert them at the end of the video. So thanks for joining me and have a great day. Bye.